Hi guys, I'm going now to so many shops for fidgets. I'm so excited for first my is that super good and super cute puppet. I'm so excited. Now going to a Dollar Tree. Into a Walmart, into a Dollar Tree, I found some octopus puppets. Let's go to the Improved Learning Express. I'm home now and it's a haul. The first one is that bird puppet. It's so rainbow and so good colors and so many and so cute. And Spop's amazing. I give it a 8 out of 10. So many balloons, pop balloons. Come back for part 2.